Hello everyone, welcome again. Today I am teaching you Paris inspired nail art design step by step guide. Let's start our today's nail art design. This nail art design will whisk you away to the romantic city of Paris. Step number 1, start by painting your nails with a light pink nail polish. Step number 2, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Begin making vertical stripes on all your nails. Step number 3, using a nail art brush and a black nail polish. Draw a half moon shape at the base of each nail except the ring fingernails. Step number 4, using the same brush and nail polish, fill in the half moon shapes. Step number 5, using the tip of the nail art brush, draw a black loops along each black half moon shape to create a lacy scallop edge. Step number 6, using the same nail art brush and nail polish, draw a shape on your ring fingernails. Step number 7, using a same nail art brush and nail polish, draw two horizontal lines inside the A shape, one at the top and another closer to the bottom, to create a Eiffel Tower. Step number 8, using a same nail art brush and nail polish, place a large black dot at the top of the Eiffel Tower. Step number 9, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. I hope you like my today's video. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.